Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am gonna talk about the top 5 best outdoor patio dining sets that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, please check the link in the description section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Gramercy Home Patio Dining Table Set. Steel frames are not normally comfortable. But when you add a thick cushion like this 6-piece outdoor patio dining set does, then you get great comfort. The cushions are made from polyester to help them last a long time. They should be easy to clean. Also, the glass top table has 4 legs to support it. This provides you with stability and higher weight capacity. Plus, the metal frames should be powder-coated to protect against rust and corrosion. The 5-piece set may be just the outdoor dining option you have been looking for. Moving on at number 4, we have the Best Choice Products Outdoor Folding Patio Dining Set. When you have a large space to fill on your patio, the smart thing to do is to acquire this 6-piece outdoor dining set. Complete with glass top table, 4 chairs and an umbrella, you can entertain on those cool summer evenings with ease. Each chair should support up to 250 pounds of weight. Also, you get wind vents in the umbrella to protect it against any strong winds that arise. Then the powder-coated steel frames resist rust and are covered by a simple breathable fabric. Plus, the chairs fold up for better storing options. Some assembly required. At number 3, we have the Mosaic Outdoor Folding Patio Dining Furniture Set. Storing this 6-piece patio dining set for the winter is not going to be too much of a problem. Each piece folds up and can easily be put away till the weather turns better. When you want some protection from the sun, use the hand crank to open the umbrella. There are 4 chairs in this set, each one with fabric over metal frame covering. The fabric should be easy to clean and not take up a lot of time. Plus, the umbrella has wind vents to make sure it is not damaged when the wind starts to blow. At number 2, we have the Statesville Padded Sling Patio Dining Set. The oval glass tabletop matches the oval swivel legs of each chair. Add in the antique bronze finish and you got a great-looking outdoor patio dining set. Seat and back cushions are placed over a metal frame. This design gives you both comfort and durability. It also makes the chairs strong enough to hold you while you eat. Plus, the cushions resist UV rays to keep them from fading over time. Then the 53 inches tabletop should give everyone enough room to eat without hitting the person beside them. Just clean with mild soap and water. Then let the air dry the cushions. And finally at number 1, we have the Davao Patio Dining Set. The 9 pieces that make up this set provides you with entertainment options. You can have adult friends over or you can entertain those friends with children. Either way you get to show off your new rattan patio dining set. 4 stools and 4 chairs with padded cushions provide the comfort you want in a top 10 outdoor patio dining set. Each of the 12 cushions come with zippers. This makes cleaning the covers nice and simple. The set is easy to assemble, and you do not have to be mechanically inclined to get the assembly chore done. A glass top table completes the 9-piece set. Thanks for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, subscribe.